Hi everyone, Dr. Dan, Dr. Cascade here with obviously Renovations Chiropractic. So I don't know if some of you have noticed, but especially if you've been in the office in the last few weeks, you've probably started to see some signs around the office that are saying that we're doing renovations here in the office. So we're going to start doing renovations starting on August 1st and running probably through until the mid-September, but the office will be closed completely from August 1st to August 12th, returning on August 13th.
And on my side of the office, they're going to need a little bit more time. So my side of the office will be shut down until the 15th, opening back up on the 16th there.
So we're excited for these renovations. Number one, because the office needs a little bit of a lift, but there's also going to be some changes that we're going to be doing. So there's going to be a few walls that are going to come down, where the adjusting areas are going to be a little bit different. We're going to have room for some exercises and stretches for our patients, but I think the flow will really be good. So we're looking at flooring, painting. So I think it's going to be fantastic when it's all done.
So to celebrate this and to encourage you guys to help us or help be a part of the history and the renovations, starting on Monday, July 23rd, we're going to have a Right on the Walls event for a full week. So what that means is, as you come in, we're going to have crayons and pencils and markers, and you're going to be able to draw on the wall, write on the wall, or maybe tell your favorite story about Lindenwood Chiropractic, before we repaint and give the office a facelift.
The walls come down.
The walls come down, that's right. So it's your chance to write on the wall before they come down.
And obviously, please be patient with us, especially during this process. We're going to try to do everything we possibly can to keep everything as smooth as possible, but you'll probably be, in that month, there'll be some construction material, there'll be some different things going on, but I think it'll be fun to kind of, usher in the new office starting kind of mid to late September.
And if you have some free time and you want to paint a wall with the contractor, you're more than welcome to help out.
So have a wonderful day, and we'll all see you soon.